Hi guys, welcome to my channel Kim Talk. So today I'm going to talk about different types of masks and their importance. So there are several types of masks: N95, surgical, cloth masks and sponge masks. So among these masks, N95 is the mask that gives you the strongest protection. N95 has got its name because of its 95% efficiency in filtering of the hazardous particles. N95 masks are made of 4 layers: outer layer of spun-bound polypropylene, a second layer of cellulose or polyester, a third layer of melt-blown polypropylene filter material, and a fourth layer of spun-bound polypropylene. The outer active layer of the N95 is coated with a hydrophobic plastic. The second inner layer is treated with copper and zinc ions. Both layers inactivate influenza viruses using different mechanisms of actions. The polypropylene layer have the ability to filter particles up to 0.3 microns. Just to get an idea, I will tell you the size of a dust particle is around 5 microns and size of a hair is around 75 micron. N95 masks are designed to achieve a very close facial fit and very efficient in filtration of airborne particles. Usually N95 masks are used in healthcare settings. But at the moment we have run out of N95 stock, so I'm going to talk about the next best option, which is surgical masks. Surgical masks also consist 3 layers: an outer hydrophobic layer which repels water, blood and body fluids, a middle filter layer that is designed to filter bacteria and other particles, and an inner hydrophilic layer which absorbs water, sweat and spit. If worn properly, a surgical mask is meant to help block large particles, droplets, splashes, sprays or splatter that may contain germs, but it does not filter very small particles like N95 mask do. Surgical masks also do not provide complete protection from germs and other contaminants because of the loose fit between the surface of the masks and your face, and they cannot be reused. So talking about cloth masks, they are not that much efficient like N95 or surgical, and the filtration efficiency for particles bigger than 30 microns is around 15 to 50%, and they can be reused after washing. And they don't contain a specific filter. And the last one in my list is sponge masks. They also don't have filter inside and is made completely of polyurethane. Polyurethane is the same material used to make sponges, and sponge masks also cannot filter very small particles. They can filter only bigger particles. So with that I conclude my explanation on different types of masks, and thank you for watching my video, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon.